Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're focusing on an absolute must-have for anyone who loves DIY repairs or needs precision tools. The JOREST 38PC's Small Precision Screwdriver Set. This set has been hailed as the best Torx impact bit set on the market, and for good reason. Let's explore its features, benefits, and why it deserves a spot in your toolbox. The JOREST screwdriver set is not just any ordinary tool set. It's meticulously designed for precision and versatility. With 38 different pieces, this set includes a wide array of screwdriver bits made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and longevity. You get everything from Phillips and flathead bits to Torx security bits, which are essential for those tricky electronic devices like your MacBook, iPhone, or even your gaming consoles. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is the slip-resistant rotatable handle. This isn't just for show, it's designed to provide a comfortable grip and allows for smooth, easy turning while working. The magnetic head means you won't have to worry about losing screws mid-repair. Just look at how easily it holds onto the screws, making your job that much simpler. What I love most about this set is its versatility. Whether you're opening up an iPhone to replace the battery or working on a gaming console like the PS5 or Xbox, this set has you covered. It comes with the most common bit sizes needed for popular devices, ensuring you won't be caught off guard during a repair. It even includes specialty bits for specific devices like Ring doorbells and various tablet models, which really makes this a comprehensive toolkit. But the JOREST set doesn't just stop at screwdrivers. You also get an assortment of handy tools including spudgers for prying open devices, tweezers for those tiny components, and a suction cup for screen repairs. This all-in-one approach means you have everything you need right at your fingertips, eliminating the need to buy additional tools separately. The portability of this kit is another feature worth mentioning. The compact design means it can easily fit in your drawer or carry in your backpack for on-the-go repairs. Whether you're a professional technician or a hobbyist, having this level of organization can save you time and hassle. Overall, the JOREST 38PC's Small Precision Screwdriver Set is more than just a collection of tools. It's an investment in quality and efficiency. If you're looking for the best Torx impact bit set out there, this one checks all the boxes: quality, versatility, and convenience. With its affordable price point, there's no reason not to add this gem to your toolkit. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tools and gadgets. And if you have any questions or thoughts about this screwdriver set, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy repairing.